So this is the room tour for Iles de Clovis here at Puy du Fou.
Hi!
Hey! So we found the kids. They've got their own bunk beds. There's Casper, he's got one as well.
We got
So
cute curtains.
you've got cute little curtains so you can block us out. So yeah, they're cute little bunk beds, aren't they? I'll just come up back so you can have a bit of a better look. Look at that. How cute is that? Looks like an old thing. And yeah, it's a little tiny window as you come in as well. I like the little old footstool that they've got. It just makes it look really old. They're just shouting hi non-stop. Look at these little patterns. It's really, really cool. And then coming down here. I like what they've done with the mirror as well to make it look like it's really old. I don't know if you can pick that up on there, but it looks like it's all blown. But yeah, it looks really, really cool. So we'll go down and have a look at the main bedroom area down here. See what this looks like. Wow. This is amazing. So we'll look in here. So we've got, in terms of charge, we'll get to what Robbie's looking at in a minute. So we've got full chargers here. We've got light switches for both here. There's a telephone and a main bedside table, which is really good. Over here, there's a door for an interconnecting room, which
Just keep that locked.
they're trying to go through to the interconnecting room. We don't do that. There's a big, huge shield. That's really cool, isn't it? Really like that. And yeah, I'm kind of getting the Warwick Castle vibes, but a little bit more, if you know what I mean. Yeah, a lot more. It looks amazing. I love this like unit they've got here with the chains that they've got there, and just excuse all the stuff. We've literally come in and we've just dumped all our stuff, so we're just doing the room tour now. And what Rob was looking at earlier on when I came in, so up here, you notice there's a little shelf there, and look, there's all little baskets and all sorts of stuff up there. How cool is that? That's all good bits of theming. So we'll go out here now. So in terms of, before we go out there, I'll show you, we've got some more chargers here. So there's a couple of, come down here. A couple more plug sockets there, which is really useful for you. And I do like that they've got these chains here to make it look like an old-fashioned drawbridge. It's really cool, isn't it? And that shield looks fantastic up there. That's amazing. I love this throne chair as well. It looks massive. It looks really, really comfy. So Casper's going to model that throne chair now. There he is, King Casper. And we'll come out here. We're going to come out here into our little balcony.
Yes,
And we've got...
It's a big fish.
We've got a nice bit of a river here, but
Look at how big that fish is.
we've also got a huge fish. So we'll pan down and show you the fish. Look at this guy here. It's amazing, isn't it?
He's not looking like that.
It's so cool. Oh, well, so yeah, that is the room tour here at Puy du Fou. Oh, I just want to show you, so what's fantastic is because they're all in twos. So there's us and there's another one just there, and they're all in twos all the way down. So they're really, really nice. Really, you can see from the outside they're all thatched and just look really, really old-fashioned. Oh, he's saying that there's little baby fishes in here somewhere. Oh, that's very cute, isn't it? Beautiful little location. It's nice and secluded as well because you've got those hedges which are just there as well. Right, so Casper's just pointing out the shower is in a separate room to the toilet. So what's in this room then, Casper? So this is the toilet. So if you're in need of a little bit of reading while you're on the toilet, you've got all this to help yourself with printed onto the wall there. I do like that they've got this really old-fashioned looking toilet roll holder as well. Really in keeping with the theming. I think it looks fantastic. And he just comes out, look. There, look. Looks amazing, doesn't it? So the old wooden panel in there. And yeah, it looks really, really good. And
Close this door.
so we'll close this one and we'll go into
The actual bathroom.
the actual bathroom. And this looks really cool, doesn't it? So look at the basin there.
This.
So that is the sink there. So
Why
here.
is the shower all one floor?
So?
The bathroom.
Oh, look at that. So it's a big stone basin there for washing your hands. You can see they've got the bath towel there. Looks really amazing. They've given some nice soap there, which is some Savon du Huile Olive. I apologise. My French is atrocious. I do try. There's a hairdryer in here as well. Down there. There's a couple of towels there.
We also got this
Some
with the key
more
cards.
towels. Oh, hold on a second, Casper. Some towels with heated towel rail. And Casper wants to show us.
We also got this with our last name on it.
Oh, so we got this Îles de Clovis with our last name on it, yeah, and that's what room we're in, room 3311 if you're interested. So getting onto the shower, you see they've got these red curtains which make it look like we're some kind of regal people staying here. And look at the shower, how fantastic does this look? As I pan up now, so it's all flat load into the shower itself. The whole floor itself is just a flat floor. You don't climb into anything to get into the shower. You just walk straight in, and that is the shower. And they've got this fantastic, looks really old.
Oh God, no.
And it's like a big brass shower, which looks absolutely amazing. And I do like these curtains as well.
Bye-bye.
Shower. Casper's just gone in there. And we've got some more shower gel here, which is really cool. So that is it. That is our room tour here. It's absolutely amazing. Really nice. I'm looking forward to going to sleep. So it's a rainy one this morning. We're heading over to get breakfast. It's an early one as well. They actually booked us in at 7:30, which is crazy. Far too early. But yeah, it's a rainy one today. Hopefully it won't be too bad throughout the day. And yeah, this hotel is really, really nice. I just wanted to show you the walk to where the main restaurant area is. And yeah, show you how beautiful all the accommodation is. There's a number of different hotels here, but we chose to stay in this one. And is it a lot cheaper ones?
Yeah, there's about 3 price brackets really. So there's like cheaper. This is like middle range, and then there's I think the one that looks like the Colosseum. Is it? And maybe one of the other ones that they're like top.
Ah, right, okay.
Top tier.
So
But
there you
this
go.
one is actually, I'm saying that, this one, and people say that this is usually one of the top tier ones, but when I came to book it, it was the same price as the others, so
Oh, right, okay.
yeah, I don't know why.
Well, it's nice though, isn't it? I mean, you can see how beautiful it is. So this is the main reception area here. So literally just walk to the end of the road and straight down here for breakfast. So coming to the restaurant now, and you can see it's all self-service, which is all located over there. So there's Centre Island, which is just to the left-hand side of us there, which has got all of the cold meats and all sorts of yogurts on there. What have you gone for, Robin? Just a bit of everything.
Stuff,
Yeah, it's all like a continental breakfast, isn't it? So there's no bit hot food, but you have a nice choice of pastries and all that sort of stuff. So what have you got, Casper? You got some Nutella on your bread there, bit of ham. Not a fan of the eggs though, are you? Bit soggy.
It's not ham, it's chicken.
Oh, you got chicken? Right, okay. And Eden, what have you got here?
I got some egg, Nutella toast, and some chicken.
Oh, right, so there we go. And I've just gone for a little bit of everything really. That I like to try as much as they've got. So I've got a pan au chocolat, a croissant, and it's kind of a bit of, and some bread too. And that'll do us nicely for breakfast, I think. Just want to film some of the different types of accommodation. We've just come through there, which is almost like an old Spanishy Western area, which just looks like a genuine town. It's crazy. So here, like Asterix, here is the Greek area, sorry, Roman area. And doesn't it look fantastic with those pillars there? It looks absolutely amazing. It genuinely looks old, doesn't it? So clever, it really is. Oh, it's so good. I'm so excited to come in. And yeah, here's the entrance to Puy du Fou, which is just down here. So I'm really excited to get in. So yeah, I just wanted to show you some of that accommodation because it looks incredible. And that is the end of our stay here at Puy du Fou. And what a beautiful accommodation it is.
Yeah, they're amazing, aren't they? All of them. I think no matter which one you pick, you'll get a good one.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought it was so nice, and the beds were comfy. The food that we had was nice. I thought it was brilliant. It was like staying in an old village, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was really
Genuinely was. It was fantastic. Yeah. Did you like it, guys?
It was really comfy. Yeah.
Really comfy, good nights. That's all we could possibly say about it. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and it's been absolutely amazing to stay here. It really, really has. So that's it from us. Really enjoyed staying here. Thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We really do appreciate it. So until next time, let the positivity in, and
Roger out.
bye, guys.
Another day out, there's another treat to find. Family on the move with adventure on our mind. Thrills and food, we're all about that ride it